So, you're wondering about Titagarh Rail Systems Limited? Well, let me tell you, this Indian company is making waves in the rail industry. They're like a one-stop shop for all your rail-related needs, from freight to passenger systems. Imagine a company that manufactures not just trains, but also the equipment and tools needed to build them. That's exactly what Titagarh Rail Systems Limited does. They produce everything from loco shells to brake bands, as well as high-speed electric locomotives and even naval vessels. Yes, you heard that right, they're involved in shipbuilding too. Their freight rail systems segment is a major player, offering a wide range of rail-related products and services to customers across India and internationally. They've got everything from wagons to bogies, couplers, draft gears, and more. And with their passenger rail systems segment, they're catering to the growing demand for high-speed trains. But what really sets Titagarh apart is its commitment to innovation. They're constantly updating their products and services to keep up with changing market demands. And it shows in their financials. They've got a decent dividend yield, a strong profit margin, and a good track record of growth. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about the stock price? Well, Titagarh Rail Systems Limited has a great beta rating, which means its stock is relatively stable. And with a market capitalization of over $123 billion, investors are confident in their company's prospects. But here's the thing, despite all these impressive numbers, Titagarh still faces some challenges. Their debt-to-equity ratio is a bit high, and they've got a good but not great price-to-book ratio. However, their earnings growth rate of -0.2% is actually quite modest compared to other companies in the rail industry. So, what's driving investors' interest in Titagarh Rail Systems Limited? Well, it's simple, they're a solid and established company with a strong track record of growth and profitability. They've got a great product lineup, and their commitment to innovation is paying off. Plus, their financials are looking good. So if you're considering investing in the rail industry, Titagarh might just be a great choice. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.